Alright everyone, how you guys doing? Long time no see. This is indeed the new 5K iMac which I've been drooling over Instagram and Twitter about, and this video, as the title reads, is just going to be an unboxing of this meaty piece. The specs are on your screen and it's replacing my 2010 iMac. The reason for replacing it is because video processing is a bit annoying. Obviously it's one of the first gens of the quad-core processors of Haswell, I believe, or maybe even before that, I'm not sure. But hopefully this machine will be beastly when coming to video. This is how you open it like a boss. This is actually replacing Tam because he's missing. So, don't know what to name this one, but hey. It's a new style of packaging. I was expecting it to be... oh, okay. There we go. Look at this. Look at this. So they've actually got padding inside as well, because it looks like the box has been bashed around in transit. Black marks. It's been kicked about. And here it is. What we've been waiting for. Looking at previous videos, this is the pull tab for opening it up. And here, let's turn it around. I'll be getting the additional RAM for this because I didn't want to pay the overpriced fee as to what Apple charge. Oh wow, packaging really has changed over the years when it comes to iMacs. What a shame, what a shame. There was a leak a few weeks ago, or a few months ago, where they were showing how the backlit keys were, the wireless keyboard had backlit keys, but it looks like that is still in the pipeline. I really do wish that sometimes it had backlit keys. More recently I'm actually getting used to the MacBook keyboard as well. The new MacBook Retina. I like how it's this kind of touch type, very thin keys. So maybe at some point we might see that reiteration or that version come into these keyboards as well. Enough blabbering about. Let's open this up. Styrofoam. And put this to the side. Okay, forgot how to take cell phone off. Here is the power cable. Power cable is in here. There you go, nice little touch. Quickly take this off because my camera battery is running out. YouTube noob, that is. Voila. Oh, got a bit of a shock. And let's take this off from the sides. I'm sure you guys have seen this plenty of times, but yeah, that's a fail right there. How not to take off plastic. Damn, that screen is thin. That is meaty thin. It's so fine compared to my current iMac. Also notice it's quite light as well. You can probably carry this in one of your iGear jackets if you've got one. Pocket for that coming soon. But no, in all seriousness, it is really light compared to the 27-inch iMac. You guys are probably saying, why have you been carrying it around? I've had to take it into the Apple store a few times in the past and it's been heavy. But this one seems actually not that bad. But that is it for this, guys. The battery's about to run out in the camera. If you want me to do more videos, feel free to leave it in the comments. And yeah, thanks very much for watching. Cheers.